Hello everyone, if you're watching this, then you're probably new here to Simplified Guitar, so I wanted to give you a little breakdown of what to expect. So here on the channel, you'll find song tutorials, you'll find lessons, you'll find product reviews. The idea behind everything that I do is to make the guitar easier for beginners, okay? My focus is strictly on beginners. I want to try to help beginners actually make progress and get success in their learning so that they don't get burned out and get overwhelmed and then just give up. What I always tell my students is that it is so much better and so much more efficient for people who are trying to learn the guitar to narrow down their efforts on just a few things to learn rather than trying to learn everything that there is to learn on the guitar all at once. You will get overwhelmed and give up. So my goal here with this channel and on my website is to narrow your focus down so that you know what to learn first, that is going to give you the most playability with the least amount of effort. So I come out with new song tutorials every Friday, and I take those songs from recommendations from my subscribers. So if you'd like to subscribe to this channel, you can always leave comments in any of my song tutorials that are out there, and I'll get that and add it to my list to draw from for future tutorials. You can also check out my website at simplifiedguitar.com, and there you can find even more stuff. You can get the chord charts for all of the song tutorials that I do here on the YouTube channel and a whole bunch more. So welcome, I hope you enjoy, and I sure hope that you learn a lot.